A Trumbull County jury decides against the death penalty for HAMAD.
He can still expect to spend a long time in prison for killing two people outside his home in February. 27 First News reporter NADINE Grimley joins us live in the newsroom with that story tonight.
Well, Dave and Mandy, the jury was sequestered overnight, but after resuming their deliberations this morning, it took less than an hour for them to reach a verdict. 2 life sentences with the possibility of parole after 30 full years served. One for each of the victims killed during the shooting. And now, since the gag order has been lifted, we're hearing from the attorneys in this case for the first time in months.
I feel very, very sad. The justice system today did not work.
Although Nasser Hamad's family is relieved his life was spared, his brother Mike is still unhappy with the way the trial went.
They made a mistake on the first verdict, that's what it is. But I hope their conscience, whoever here wants to put this guy in jail, or even try to give him the life, I hope their conscience, I hope they could sleep at night.
The jury of 12 who took just 90 minutes to convict him of all the charges, including 2 counts of aggravated murder, was sequestered overnight. But less than an hour into resuming their discussions this morning, finally reached a verdict. 2 life sentences with parole eligibility after 30 full years served. One for Josh Haber and Josh Williams, who were both killed during the shooting back in February. A decision prosecutors say they're satisfied with.
They were 9-3 at one point in favor of the death penalty, but there were a number of jurors, obviously at least 3, that were sympathetic to the fact that he had no criminal record and that there was some culpability on the victims in starting this and continuing with this fight and what ultimately led to the shooting.
Anytime a person's life is in jeopardy, and the life is spared, you know, we have to be jubilant. We have to be grateful that that happened.
Now, Judge Ronald Rice will ultimately decide on Hamad's sentence and whether or not it will be served consecutively or concurrently. That hearing is scheduled for tomorrow afternoon, but Hamad's attorneys say they plan to file an appeal. Live in the newsroom, NADINE Grimley, WKBN 27 First News.